Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Cool video with you guys. We have a new product line from BedTech. We are running a 10-inch gel memory foam mattress, $5.99 right here from BedTech, and a $6.99 hybrid 12-inch mattress from BedTech. Those are queen, mattress only. Remember, hybrid, memory foam on top, inner spring, pocketed inner spring, so it gives you that great motion separation with you and your partner. The coolest feature about this is it comes roll packed. So this mattress that you're seeing right here actually comes in a little burrito to my dock. When we deliver it to your home, it comes this way. We open it, it explodes, and then we put it in your home. Another cool feature, if you're in a pinch, you need a mattress ASAP, you can go to any of our 23 locations, and you can fit this in the back seat of your car. We're going to show you a cool demonstration of us and my mattress prince putting the mattress in your car. Pretty cool, right? So remember, all locations have this mattress, beds in stock, $6.99, $5.99, queen only. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if I don't see you guys on 4th of July, have a happy and safe 4th of July. See you guys.